Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's jump into the video. So guys, this video is going to be super quick, and I forgot to start the camera again, so I missed out on a few parts. Because we're working with the marquee numbers and the letters are so bright, it make the video so dark. You guys know I'm using my camera and I'm not the best at using it, so I keep everything on auto. So the lighting is not the best here, but I really want to just talk about my technique and what I was doing here. You guys, most of you know how to build. If you're watching this and you're like intermediate, if you're a beginner, I apologize. There are other videos here on my channel in the beginning that shows you step by step, but right here I wanted to show you guys I'm using two colors that are single stuff. I didn't stuff not a single balloon for this setup, you guys. You know what, the event planner reached out like 2 days before and it was a corporate event, and they pretty much just said like it was the colors were purple and lime green. So I'm like, cool beans, I'm not stuffing anything, it's too late. And it looked great in my opinion, but I use two clusters at a time. So two clusters of 8 balloons at a time for both the green, which is the Qualatex new color they came out this year, I believe in the beginning of the year. Chartreuse or something, like, I don't know, don't ask me how to pronounce it. It's lime green basically, they just put a fancy name on it. And then I use Plum Purple by Tuftex. And then the Plum Purple, I actually already had my 5 inches attached. Guys, I've been doing this probably for the last 2 or 3 weeks, and I don't know why I didn't do it. It's so much more convenient. I think the reason why I didn't do it before is because I thought that my 5 inches would move out of place, but because I tie neck to neck, they pretty much stay in place. They don't move around. So I'm going to be doing this moving forward. It gives me more time to style and design and less time having to worry about, oh, I still need to add my 5 inches on. I didn't do it for the green, but I did it for the purple for this setup. And I also did it for some previous setups. So this is something, anything I can do at home, I love. That way I can have more time on site to worry about my shape and my design. That's what the goal is for me always. What can I do at home to give me more time on setup, to give me to allow me to, you know, perfect my shape or my design and focus on that more. Because the less things you're worrying about instead of like, oh, I need to add my 5 inches, I need to put my 260s on the clips and stuff like that. All that stuff I do at home is already ready and prep. All I got to do is put my hooks or my clip on the back of the frame or on the side of the frame, and is ready to go with the 260 already attached. Do it at home. 5 inches on the clusters. Do it at home. That way you can focus on styling, because styling will take you to the next level. Building a side garland, anyone can do that at this point, but you really need to showcase your personal style in these setups now. But this is pretty much the final setup. I tied everything neck to neck, if I forgot to mention, and this is how everything came out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As I said, it was a quick one. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Leave it in the comments box. Bye.